Hello again, students at both Benyon and Newman, and welcome to week 3 of distance learning. And again, I hope this video finds everybody well and doing okay. Uh, so you are reaching this video through the Emlyn Benyon and the Newman Art Room Weebly sites, but please know that I've got that Canvas class for beginning drawing, and pretty much all of the emails are out. I know that there are 1 or 2 classes, especially maybe for first grade and second grade, that I still need to catch up with at both schools. But this is an opportunity to really practice drawing at home. And the first week we focused on line variety, and again, right now about a third of everybody is registered, but if you can, take a look for that drawing icon. It says focus on drawing whenever you log into Canvas, either through your iPad or whatever device you have with your student login. And you should be able to register for the class. I've sent the invite out again to about 90% of everybody at both schools. Again, I'll be working with your classroom teachers to try to get everybody registered. And this week's focus is on line quality. And when I mention line quality, that's really talking about the hardness or the softness of how you draw the line, depending on what the surface is on the item that you're drawing. And I recommended, just finding a pair of shoes and maybe setting the pair of shoes up to draw, because shoes have both hard and soft surfaces. The shoelaces tend to be soft, the rest of the shoe might be hard, and your finished product might look a little bit like this one. But it doesn't have to be shoes. One of the students at Newman, Keegan, I'm talking to you, you drew some action figures, and I moved your post from the first week's Padlet over to week number 2, which is really the place for any still life drawing. And remember, a still life is any drawing of objects that don't move, so found objects. So that's the important information about the Canvas class this week. I did have a question from Ellie Ramirez from 3rd grade at Newman, and she asked about a number 2 pencil. I forgot to bring a number 2 pencil over as a prop. But a number 2 pencil, if you look at a pencil, it has the number 2 somewhere. Normally, that's what most pencils are, number 2. And that number 2 designates how hard or how soft the pencil lead is. And 2 is a medium range pencil. It's not too hard, it's not too soft. It's what we mostly draw with or mostly write with in our schools. So the softer the pencil is, the lower the number. So if you can find a number 1 pencil out there, it would actually be a little bit softer and draw a little bit darker. And if you found pencils that are even a 2.5 or a 3 or a 4, those are going to be harder, and those are going to produce a lighter line because it's a harder lead. So again, you can get different line quality by using different pencils. And I'll talk more in the future. Certain art stores have, instead of numbers, they have letters that denote the hardness and softness of pencils. So I'll try to cover that a little bit more in another video. So again, I'm wishing everybody well, and know that the posts on the Weebly websites are for the lessons we would normally be doing in the classroom. I can't be 100% sure that you have those materials at home, so that's why I'm really pushing the Canvas class, because it can be drawn on any type of paper, really using any type of lead to experiment with and just to practice your drawing skills. Remember, you can always reach me at this email. Is that showing up? I hope it's showing up. It's Paul Heath Art. Excuse me, no, it's paul.heath@slcschools.org. And I'm wishing everybody well. Again, I hope that that's not reading backwards so that you can see it okay. Well, everybody take care, and I'll talk to you again soon.